The center of attraction for Nsem Ende was the Gbese court. Now it was your seminal in Ayaka, Asem Ayaka. Media can say, oh, Empire Bobby Farmer, Abu Trica. And the scenes at the court no were mind busting.
Ya wagana say ana shawan ba obeka ye nua ya se edi edua no ye se timi di dua bi ko keska ashawan be kesa enwen na de koye bosu ya chi ashawan ye buza one month ko nko manage ashawan papa munya se muni 1 month ko nko ammo ena muja ashawan free abu pe agrada e 50 years jolo bi 15 years ya ebe di say ashawan ko api obekọ api ya udi say ashawan ye nyina se chiera obedi say ashawan ko by one cast 6 months of PH. Say that Abu Trica den waye. Complainant way. Broni be na so we ya see the co se put the one. Amoy. Abu Trica kula mu hana keke. Boss you I say any police is abo. E court nsam. Court of one eka. E ka so for no. Comfort dey ati no. Me say boss who say me num mikita wi a. Ade be try say exhibit the way. Exhibit ni nie. E be ka go check. I was say ampa e ade na e friend wi na za enti bla na ate no ye so e crofo wi obi ade nipo na wi na de no wi mahama ya pa wo chao mahama abu pa wo chao yes free abu de ka free ami ayedu kamenya mi se abu so no ye die ni ane ba ni bra de bi ani free abu ye na de ye sa na sha ya mahama ya pa wo chao mama ya pa chao free abu de ka mama ya sound slow mama abu de ka pa wo chao abu de ka wo chao for support the Abu Trica, I think he has gotten some. And the court no HS what in the final decision, the final hearing never been the hearing no or the other. But Abu Yasam Abu 15 days. A munsem no Yabeka or her near be answer. Oh, I also like Mammy, we answer for agency for brow comment section and subscribing. And so Mammy, na be answer if so this not film social media platforms no at Augustine Kwanza na be answer in your face. And so in the Gbese court, as I said, the Abu Trica took a PMO. Now the PMO was around the extradition and then a court case or the hearing. Now hearing PMO. It seems like a final hearing, but the final hearing is not a final hearing. You could see lawyers no mujina Abu Trica no ne umachim to the basic men no yeno na omodi amaye what actually happened inside the court. We don't go tell lawyers no na yen twa so with the video.
I can say who is see of course.
With the heading kakra now so this is say na court here. Only applications record. You argue the application. Obeka say me me factory ni say. Obi so say ni dey ni say and then judge no so be way or say okay based on the law say and I say say. Enti abu case here ya ba here. You can say offenses are per se yen use for extradition. Any part of list of offenses are it will be a referring to treaty. And a treaty usually referring agreements between countries. On mine me no man I say be akwa agreement say okay. Say obi ye boni to say ni say so obi tutu so obi ko obi a na say oye no war ebia US and Germany and I say baby and odwani ba Ghana for monchenu na monfa no man. Nzansa na obesa na say any number district court na hwe say nia omo pa kire no eno na waye ana and as a why so a ewo sa extradition list so na and I ka say there bi sa offenses no and miss extradition list na nti and what say court kra enti asem you know so court nika say there bi 2 days ago e kan and obeti asem ye bi for so by and say okay fine e bi mu can win yes setting up in a way it is a setup it is not right in law and it is a nipano you can say at least court my to me and use power now money pano on the yin and no court say okay say you say and say it on the my evidence and at two you can say you pay expert witness obetimi at record me say even abu offense no there is some form of political connection to it and until any offense I was say extradition and them now so court look say they be on what determine double criminality bibia and we have not proven to her say there is a political connection to the offense and until me upper training say as for abu no there afi finally or say on my yen nko now so by law yentime for no kosa there were 15 days. Within 15 days, I was saying young High Court with an application for habeas corpus. Say High Court ma Ghana for no or mine or monfano bra winning or High Court. I determined say I was saying engine one I say so another leg of the litigation goes on again, but within a certain 15-day window. Now also near console we can see what we can do because we believe that it is an error on the face of the record and that it's something that we can go to the higher courts and challenge it. So either if it's through the process of an appeal or any other process that we can do within the rights of the law, we will do that hopefully.
Okay, so my name is Rosemary and of course I'm a lawyer in the case of the Republic versus Federal Crime. So right now we're in court and we have filed various preliminary legal objections on the extradition of Federal Crime, but the court has always dismissed it. It's actually a process. If you go into the Extradition Act, you know that extradition processes are a bit very fast, but here we've been able to stall it and make it a bit slower to ensure his release, but still the court is still dismissing all its applications. Today in court, we had filed a preliminary legal objection and we have filed an application to actually disclose items in which they seized, stating that the items do not really belong to Frederick Kumi and actually is not associated with the extradition offense, but the court actually ruled against. And then the court adjourned the case to 15 days in which we have to file a habeas corpus. So hopefully, we're believing that when we file the habeas corpus, we'll be able to state our case properly and tell the court why Frederick cannot be extradited. Right now, our hopes are up. Not entirely up, but we're hoping for the best.
Yes, I know. I now could see more honor into. I think that you've gotten to understand everything. So that's a bit so Jimmy. So they come on the crowd. Let's be share in the next one.